everybody, welcome to another core practice training video. I'll be showing you how to utilize our statement system for today. Just wanted to quickly cover off one quick section though before you get started in there, and that's just to go to our settings page and to ensure that all of the different businesses have been properly set up within core practice. So you need to make sure that everybody has been set up on here. So as an example, I've got Warren's business in here. Make sure it's activated. Choose a commission method, meaning gross versus net. That's just how you calculate your commission, whether it be before expenses are deducted or after. You've also got a commission structure here that you can customize. If you need to add a percentage in here, please get in touch with our support team. If you're also utilizing our new lab tracking module, you also need to choose a lab expense in here if you'd like to use that system for lab tracking and lab expense tracking as well. After you set this all up, just hit save changes and away you go. Now, one more part, and that's to ensure that all of the providers are also tagged in with the correct business as well. So whenever you're in here, just make sure you're in the right location. Go into your provider and make sure that they're tagged under the right business in order for this to work. Now, after you've set this all up, we just need to go into statements. And now we can actually run our statement system. So we create a statement here at the top right, or you can have a look at some of the older ones that you've got in here. We'll create statement for today. We'll choose a period. So we do this on a monthly basis. So I'll just choose last month and I will choose Warren. And I'll hit next. Statement date is just the end date usually for that month. Or however, what sort of payment cadence you'd like to use. So in this screen over here, it's just going to show you a brief overview of what has been collected and some of the deductions that we've got in the system. Don't worry about this section here. You can always customize a bit of this. So if you need to add other deductions or anything like that, we can. So after we've done this, we click on create statement. And after you've created the statement, you're going to see the same thing in here, but it's drafted at the moment. Down here at the bottom, you're going to see a whole long list of deductions. So one being the management fees. So that's the commission based on the commission structure that you put in, right? So if you gave the dentist a 40% commission structure, then you should be taking about 60% of the management fees, or 40%, right? Then these transaction fees, in case if you set it up that way, we can also put in transaction fees based on the type of terminal that you're using. So if it's like an Amex or something like that, if you want, we can do that. These ones over here will be more so for like lab. So if you've got a GST component, you can put it in here if it's GST free, or if you've got in-house, or if you've just got other adjustments, like, you might have overpaid them and you just need to take a bit of money back or something, that's where you'll add it in. So as an example, if I just put like $100 in here, ooh, it's 1,000. Go, it gets added in. You can see my deductions have increased. If you've got any more notes in here, so added due to overpaying for last month. Cool. And then now that you've set up everything, you can either view the statement to just kind of see like a little brief overview of it. You can see I'm owing money right now, so not good. But now if I go back to edit statement, I can just finalize it. And if I finalize it, if the dentist has an email address that's attached to their account, then they will also get an email from us. So you just need to make sure that they've got an email account attached to them. Sorry, not this page here, but if you go to their users, let's just say if you go into Warren in here, you just need to make sure that they've got an email address tagged to their account. And you got to make sure this account is tagged to the right provider, because if you didn't do it like me just now, and if you tagged it in with the wrong one, then this may not work properly for you. But that's how the statement system is used in core practice. You can see that I've submitted this one already, and it's all good to go. If you're interested with our Zero and MYB solutions, in order for you to keep track of your business's payments as well as paying the dentist, so you get a live bank feed, you also get a way to pay your dentist. So it works out really great if you're a multi-location practice or has a lot of dentists working there. So it's something that you'd like to get in touch with, please get in touch with our support team. If you've got any other questions, yeah, please get in touch with our support team. But if you can also use our live chat and anything else that's on here. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope that was a good session for you. If you've got any feedback, please let us know. Thank you very much. Bye.